Hello everyone, my name is Gulnoza. I'm from Fergana City. I'm 34 years old. I've been working as English teacher for 15 years. Nowadays I'm studying Science and Information Technologies in master's degree in Aberdeen University in Scotland. Can you imagine after 15 years teaching sphere, change the career? Is it easy? Of course not, it's not easy. This power, this knowledge gave me Technovation Girls, because from last year I'm participating as a mentor this program. This program started teach us how to make mobile apps with Meetup Inventor, and this program helped me to make some business plans, and this program taught us programming languages and how to make business plans, how to make videos, how to take videos, and this program showed me the right way, which is going to the IT sphere. And nowadays I'm here in UK, I'm studying in IT, I'm learning Python program, and this program helped a lot. And I think if you are really interested in IT, you can join us, you can participate, and if you have good ideas, if you want to change your society or maybe you help to solve the problems in your social society, you can join in Technovation Girls. This program help you to build your career, and this program help you to learn programming languages, making plans, and taking some photos, good photos, and you can create yourself again in this program with good community. And I wish you can achieve your goal with this program. Good luck, everyone.